What is up, guys? My name is Ennis Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So I just reached 1,000 subscribers this morning, and I really want to give back to you guys because it means a lot. You guys take the time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. And so one of the main reels I use in almost all my videos is the Pflueger. I have a ton of their presents, and I have a ton of their X Summit XTs. And so I want to give a reel that I know you guys will love and use a lot. And so I went and picked up the Pflueger Summit XT that I could actually give away to you guys. And so I really hope you guys enjoy the reel. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to get right to the point. But I'm going to show you guys now a little bit about the giveaway. Alright guys, so I promised you guys I'll go all out for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I went and picked up some things, and I really want to give back to you guys. It means a ton to me. You guys got me to 1,000. So it's a big thing to me, and so I'm going to try to help you guys and give back to you guys. Whoever wins this, you're a very lucky person because you will win a reel, 2 very nice and expensive baits, and 3 packs of Gary Yakamoto's Senkos, which I use in a lot of my videos. And so I wanted to make stuff that I know works and I know you guys will like and enjoy. And if you guys have seen a lot of my videos, I think the only reel I really use in my videos are Pflueger. I have their Summit and I have a ton of their Presidents. And so I went and picked myself up one so I could give it straight to you guys. It is the Pflueger Summit XT. I had a little poll to see which choice you guys is, which reel you would like of the size. And you guys really wanted the 25. And I think I want to give away the 25 because you guys know I try to get into bass fishing and stuff, but I'm really a trout fisherman. I really enjoy trout fishing, and this is a reel I would choose for trout fishing. And as winter coming up, you can also use this thing for ice fishing, and so you can just put it on your ice rod, and that's all you guys can do. It's the perfect size. I'll be going into it a little bit if you did not see my review video, but if you guys did, you guys know this is a great reel for ice fishing and a great reel for trout fishing. So when you guys are starting out, you're going to get this one is called Bluegill and this one is called the Ghost. They are jointed, they are very expensive, and they're by Lunker Hunt. They're called the Link Lure, and they're great for big bass, pike, I guess even muskie. I mean, you could probably catch a whole bunch of different fish. I like this one the best. It looks like a small little sunfish, and it goes back and forth. You guys seen people usually go back and forth like this on just the top of the water. And I mean, I guess you could say it looks like a snake, but I really think it just looks like a bait fish trying to flop on the water. And I have the Ghost and I have the sunfish for you guys here. Alright, and so I also have 3 Gary Yakamoto's, and you guys know these things are not cheap. I want to pick up some great quality lures that I know you guys would like. There are 3 of the ones called Strawberry Cream. They come in, I think, packs of 10 or 12, and these are the 4-inch ones. There's 1, 2, and 3 of these. And so now the thing that most people came to this video for, I'll be giving away a Pflueger Summit XT reel. And if you do win this, you win all of these along with it. It's a one deal thing. And one of the big things is you have to be in the United States. I made this mistake before. I spent way too much on shipping when I shipped out to Canada. It's way too expensive, and I'm not going to do that again. I'm sorry. I don't want to spend any more money than I really have to. It is a brand new reel, still in the packaging. I've never used it. Come with the instructions, which I hope you know how to use a reel. You probably won't need these, but it's brand new. The color's awesome. They got a very nice grip on it. It looks like a very luxurious reel, as you guys can see here. It's just a great buy. Very happy I bought an extra one. I did not just buy one, I went and bought a couple. It was on sale, so I will tell you guys that. I did not pay full $70 for it. But I'm still happy, and I hope you guys will enjoy this reel. And so it is the 25, and I'll go over a couple of the specs right now. Just so you know, I'll put it all back in its case. I won't leave anything out. I'll put everything with it and put it back in its bag. It has a max drag of 10 pounds. Its weight is 6.7 ounces. Its inches per turn, which means every time you turn, it's pretty self-explanatory. The inches that come out of line is 22.4 inches, also known as 56.9 centimeters. Its gear ratio is 5:2 to 1, along with the 30, and then the 35 and 40 are 7:2 to 1, and a couple of these have different ones. If you guys have ever bought a Pflueger, you know a lot of the products are great quality and they will last a long time. Their brake capacity is 160 yards per 4 pounds, 145 yards per 6 pounds, and 100 yards per 8 pounds. The mono capacity is 180 yards per 2 pounds, 115 yards per 4 pounds, and 80 yards per 6 pounds. The mono capacity, and you don't need to know about millimeters, probably will come handy, but I just really want to get back to you guys. It means a ton to me that you guys do watch my videos, you watch a lot of my videos, you subscribe to my channel. I can't even believe I got to 1,000. I can't even believe it when I got to 500, which was what? I think 10 and a half months ago. I'm growing pretty fast. I really hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm trying to post as much because I do have to work, I have to go to school. It's just taking up a lot of my time. I'm trying to save some time between my day to make some fishing videos for you guys. I'm just really having a lot of fun, and I might make a couple videos. I guess I did add stories to YouTube, and so I want to take advantage of that. I can now put in, what are those things called? Posts. And so I want to like figure out what you guys like best. You guys like trout fishing? You want me to try to do? I will do a lot of ice fishing. You guys want me to try to do some more pike fishing, bass fishing? I will be going to Florida over the Christmas, and I'll be going for shark, tarpon. I'm hoping I can go on a grouper trip and try to catch some really nice Goliath grouper, which would be awesome. And so I really just want to get back to you guys. So whoever wins this reel, you're a very lucky person, because this thing will last you a lifetime. They don't break, they don't think. I think even if you buy this thing, I think they do have a money back guarantee, so you can just send them the build number and something like that. You'll have to figure it out yourself. And I really hope you will enjoy the reel. And now for the main part, to be entered in this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to the channel, which I know most of you guys probably are subscribed to the channel. But I think like I'm probably going to get a lot of views from people who are not subscribed, so please, it means a lot. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Just subscribe to the channel, and just, if you want, share the video. You gotta be subscribed, and you gotta leave a comment telling, you know, anything, the biggest fish you ever caught, something you want me to know, or anything you just want to talk about, any kind of fishing stories or anything like that. Just make sure you're subscribed. If you'd like the video, it's not a big thing, and just put your watch time into my channel. I'm trying to get monetized, and which will mean I'll have a lot more time. I can make more money off this channel. I'm not gonna really, I don't care about making money. I just wanna, all the money I get, I might put some away for college, and I might put some towards my YouTube channel, maybe getting a new camera, getting some more fishing equipment, just stuff like that. And I just want to have some fun with you guys. Thank you for watching. Just don't forget, all you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment, and if you like, share the video with your friends. Just please do not leave your address in the comments. I've had like, what, 3 or 4 people in my last giveaway who just plain on just left their address in the comments. I don't know what goes through their mind. I think that'd be a smart thing to do. But please do not leave your address in the comments. I'll get a hold of you through your probably most likely will be the most secure will be your email address. So just leave that along with the comment you chose. And so thanks everyone for watching. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.